In this video, I'm going to show you how to get Axiom Pro Quick Trade buttons. Now, the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features, such as an amazing Twitter tracker and wallet tracker. They have their own reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. You can trade perpetuals. You can use their turbo mode for faster fills and transactions. You can select your own presets for buy and sell settings, where you can adjust your slippage, priority, and bribe fees. You can use MEV protection, etc. So again, link down below. Make sure you check it out. You won't regret it. So to get the Axiom Pro Quick Trade buttons, what you're going to have to do is you're going to have to basically go to polls over here, or you can do it in Discover as well. So go over here, and here you can see these buy buttons. Currently, there's 0 Solana because I haven't set anything, but up here at this number is where you can actually set it. So for example, you can do the Quick Trade button, so the Quick Buy button for 0.8 Solana, and then there are these buttons you can buy it with. So click on this, and then the Quick Buy button will trigger and it will execute a buy trade. Now, up here it says display. You can also make this bigger, so you can do small, large, mega, or ultra. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different options, so you actually can't miss them while trying to click, so you don't actually misclick, and you can set it however you want. You can do the exact same thing on the Discover tab over here, where you can basically put in how much you'd like to quick buy, so for example 0.8, and you can buy by clicking these buttons over here as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.